How to fix front camera not showing or working. So if your front camera is not working or is not showing, then that might be due to various reasons. So in order to fix that, watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I am at the camera section, from where you'll be able to take the photo or video over here. At the right bottom corner, you'll be able to see the camera option, which has an arrow that allows you to reflect your camera to front and back. So if you're unable to see this option, or even though you are touching it, it's not working, then the first thing you need to do is you have to tap over the settings option at the right upper corner. And at last there's a reset option. You just have to tap over the reset and it will ask, do you want to restore camera default settings? You just have to tap over OK, and by doing that, all of the settings of your camera will be reset, and also the front camera will be able to work easily. So this is the first fix. Now the second fix is you just have to go back to the home page and you have to restart your mobile device. It seems like a simple thing, but sometimes by simply restarting your mobile device also you'll be able to fix your problem. So you just have to press and hold over your power button, and here is the option for restart. There may be also an option for reboot, that totally depends upon your device model, and you can tap over there and you'll be able to refresh your mobile device and this problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix front camera not showing or working. So if you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.